Welcome to our comparison of two powerful motherboards, the MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and value for money. The MSI B550M is designed for budget-conscious users looking to build a reliable system with AMD Ryzen processors, while the GIGABYTE B650 is tailored for enthusiasts seeking the latest technology and performance enhancements. Let's dive into the details and see which motherboard comes out on top. When it comes to pricing, the MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi is priced at $119, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious builders. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX comes in at a higher price of $219. While the MSI board offers great value for its price, the GIGABYTE board justifies its cost with advanced features and future-proofing capabilities. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and the features you prioritize. The MSI B550M supports dual-channel DDR4 memory, allowing for up to 128 GB at speeds of 4,400 MHz. This is suitable for most users, especially those on a budget. In contrast, the GIGABYTE B650 supports the latest DDR5 memory, which offers higher speeds and improved performance for demanding applications. This makes the GIGABYTE a better choice for users looking to maximize their system's capabilities with the latest technology. In terms of PCIe support, the MSI B550M features PCIe 4.0, which is adequate for most current applications and graphics cards. However, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX offers PCIe 5.0 support, providing double the bandwidth and future-proofing for next-generation graphics cards and storage solutions. This is a significant advantage for gamers and content creators who want to ensure their system remains relevant for years to come. In conclusion, both the MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX have their strengths and weaknesses. The MSI B550M is a fantastic budget option for users looking to build a capable system without breaking the bank, while the GIGABYTE B650 is ideal for those who want the latest features and performance enhancements. Depending on your needs and budget, either motherboard could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.